Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily disable Discord on startup. So let's start. There is this first way, really easy how you can make it. It's just when you're gonna click on it, you can just make it here, but what I really like, the best way is go to user settings, now go to the Windows settings, and you will find here system startup behavior, open Discord, save yourself a few clicks and let Discord greet you when you get home like a good boy. I'm not a good boy, I'm a bad boy. And just disable it. Easy. So this is, I'm going to disable, and now minimize the tray and also close button you can also disable or enable. It's really up to you. So this is how you can disable Discord on startup. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it, and you know how it goes, the deed. So yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.